Are you tired of downloading RPM packages and again on multiple servers? Want a faster and more efficient way to manage your software installation in Linux? Imagine having all the required RPM packages available locally, faster and reliable. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to set up your local repository in Oracle Linux 7. So stick around and I'll promise you will save your time and effort with this skill. Hi everyone, I'm Sajad Iqbal, having more than 5 years of experience in technology. Welcome to the Query Corner. On this channel, I'll bring you the practical tutorials and tips on technology, databases and much more. Today we will set up a local repository in Oracle Linux 7 using an ISO image. This is an essential skill for managing offline system or to improve your package management on more secure environment. So let's dive into the process. Think of a local repository as your own personal app store for Linux. Fast, reliable and always available, even offline. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional local repository, saving you hours of downloading and managing packages. Let's get started. So let's start the process. I'm logged into the server. I'm using Mobile Extra. To log into the server, you can use any software to log into your server. So let's start the process. In first step, what we have to do, we have to copy the ISO file from local PC to the server. For that purpose, I am using Mobile Extra to copy the file from local PC to the server. I have placed the file at root. Make sure you know the exact location of your ISO file for the next step. What we have to do, I'm just going to upload the file ISO file from my local PC to the server. For that, just right click there. I have placed my ISO file there in the D drive. You can use any drive for your ISO file. Just click open. And here it is file, and here it is. The file is now copying from my local PC to the server. So let's wait whether file is transferred or not. So you can see this file is transferred now. So next step is to create a directory and then mount this ISO file. So step 1 is completed. We copy the ISO file to the server. So next step is that create a directory and mount the ISO file. So for that, we firstly have to create the directory. We have to use this command to create a directory. Let's create the directory first. I have created the directory. After creating the directory, we have to mount the ISO file into that directory. For that, we have to run this command. Just copied it. I will share this document in the description of this video. You can find from there. So I'm going to mount this ISO file into the directory. Next, we have to make it permanent. To ensure the ISO file mounts automatically after reboot, we have to open the etcfs tab and put this into the etcfs tab. Let me open. Copy this and paste it. Save the file by pressing the ESC WQ. So 2 steps are completed and we have to go to the step 3. In the step 3, we have to disable the existing yum repository so that we can create our new yum repository. For that, we have to just disable the existing repositories. For that, I'm just copying it. Run this command here to disable all the default yum repositories. This command will disable all the yum repositories already configured in my operating system. So step 3 is completed. We have just disabled all the pre-enabled yum repositories. Next is step 4. We have to create our new repo that we want to enable this one laterally. So first create repo. I'm just creating the repo with the name of ol75.repo. You can use any name. You can use any name as you wish. I'm just creating this file here in this directory. So let me copy and paste here. So my file is open. I have just created a new file. So what we have to do, we have to just copy these parameters into that file that we have created now. So make sure you have the correct GPG key file exists at a specified path for the GPG key parameter. So I'm just copying it and pasting it. What we have to do, we have to just save it now. Next step is to clean all the repositories. For that we have to just run yum clean all. Next step is to check either our repository is created or not. So as you see, this is my repository that I have created earlier. It is now showing me, so it means our yum repository is created. Next step is to test either our repository is working or not. So we can use any RPM installation. I'm just for example, I'm just trying to install HTTPD RPM here. So it is already up to date. Let me try another one. So as you see this, it's trying to install RPM into my server. I just want to mention one thing, that this server is not connected to any internet right now. It is an standalone server, so you can use this method to install your local repository into your server, and that's it. Your local repository is ready to use. This setup will save your time and make package management easy, especially in secure and or offline environments. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the Query Corner for more practical Linux and Oracle databases tutorial. Let me know in the comments what topic you would like to see in the next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.